In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to your Shopify store using PayPal Express Checkout. This process will make transactions smoother for your customers and can enhance your overall business efficiency. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. To get started, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're on your main dashboard, navigate to the Settings option. You can typically find it at the lower end of the left sidebar. Once you're in the Settings area, look for the Payments option. Clicking on this will open up a section called Payment Providers, where you'll manage how your store processes payments. Here, you'll find a box labeled with PayPal, most often indicating PayPal Express Checkout. It might also display a message like Setup Incomplete or Activate PayPal. This simply means that the connection between your Shopify and PayPal accounts needs to be established or completed. To start this process, click on the button labeled Activate or Complete Setup. You'll then be prompted to log into your PayPal account. For the best integration experience, use a PayPal business account, and it's advised to match the email associated with your Shopify store for seamless connectivity. Enter your credentials and sign into PayPal. Once logged in, PayPal will guide you through a series of verification steps. At this stage, you may be asked to confirm or provide additional details about your business. If you haven't linked a bank account to your PayPal yet, this is the perfect time to do so. PayPal needs this information to handle transactions and payments securely. You'll also need to agree to some permissions that essentially authorize communication between Shopify and PayPal. These permissions are crucial as they allow both platforms to share necessary transaction data safely and efficiently. After completing the steps on PayPal's side, look for an option like Back to Shopify or something similar. Clicking this will finalize the process and direct you back to your Shopify payment settings. Now, when you look under the Payment Providers section, you should see PayPal listed as active. This indicates a successful connection, and your store is now set up to accept payments through PayPal. Finally, there's an optional setting you might want to consider. Within your Shopify payment settings, you can decide whether you want payments to be captured automatically or if you'd like to authorize first and capture later. Some store owners prefer to authorize transactions initially and capture them once they're ready, giving them extra control over the payment process. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked PayPal to your Shopify store. Now, you can enjoy a more streamlined checkout experience for your customers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.